Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is tsrc Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to look at the tsrc A6. It's a quadcopter drone with brushless motors. It has two batteries, dual cameras. You have one on the front, one on the bottom. Very neat looking drone. Well, I have it in GPS mode, connected to the camera, so see what it's seeing. Alright. Enough talking about it. Let's get it in the sky, see what it can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Here we go. Wish me luck. First flight. Outside. Sounds so good. Whoa, look at that. Picked up 12 satellites really fast. Yeah, that's pretty smooth. Look at that. Very cool. Breezy. You can see it messing with it a little bit, but not much. It's holding its place. Go for a little cruise. Not sure what speed I'm in here. And got her high there. Okay, yeah, 2 beats, you're in high. Get up above the trees here and see what it can do. Very cool. Cutting through the breeze with no problems. Not super fast, but it's fast enough to enjoy. Okay, enough of cutting through the sky with it. I'll bring it in here a little bit closer. A lot of fun though, oh my goodness. That was great. Okay. Bringing it down. Comes down nice and slow. Hey, while we're at it, guys, if everyone's paying attention, Easter's coming up here in just a day or so. Let's go ahead and do a giveaway. I'll post it in the video. I'll give you a little clip somewhere like up here with an image of what's going to be up for grabs. But anyway, all you have to do to join or to enter, just leave me a comment and be subscribed, and you're entered to win. We'll do a random drawing and it'll just pick one comment at random and that will be our winner. Alright, back to the drone. Thanks guys, appreciate all the support. Alright, let's go up and get us a couple snapshots, shall we? Man, this thing is zippy, it climbs up pretty quick. Look at that. Alright, see what we're looking at there. Let's go ahead and take a, see if we can raise it up a little. That's looking down, that's looking straight out. You can see the props a little bit there, so I'll lower it, climb up a little bit more, and then take a snapshot. There's one. Turn it back and look the other way. There's 2. Alright, let's start the video. Button back here. Video started. Should be able to see something on the app there. Yep, the counter started right over here by the button. I'm going to do a slow 360. It's really smooth so far, guys. I'm liking it, and it's in the budget friendly class. I like that. Okay, I'm going to shut the video off same way. Video shut off. Okay, let's go out a little bit further and do a first return to home and see what happens. Hopefully it'll just come back close to the landing pad. That's what we like to happen. Here we go. Return to home button is... Where is the return to home? It's in the app. So let's find it. I believe it's this one. No. Cancel. That's landing. What's this one? Yes. Please confirm return. It looks like a landing pad. The helipad. How could I not know that? Slide to initiate. What happened? Oh, it's working. It's returning. Boy, it's coming quick. Looks like it's stopping over the helipad there. Helipad's there. Drone's up there. Looking pretty close. For a cheap drone, you can't beat it. Let's see how close. Wow, that looks pretty darn close. Move back a little bit. Hope it don't fall. Hope you guys can see this. Wow. Looking pretty darn good. We'll go ahead and let it land completely so you can see right exactly where it's going to go. And then I'll take back off and we'll try another one. Wow, that was really close. Look at that. Right at the edge of the landing pad. Not bad. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. Go out this way a little bit. Okay. Let's initiate another return to home. Hit the helipad, slide it over. Beeps let you know that you are returning to home. There it comes. Don't waste any time. Very cool. It's a neat little drone, the A6 is. Bought this on Amazon.com. You guys heard of them? It's a great place to shop. Check them out. If you'd like to get you one, that's where I found it. I'll leave you a link in the description below. It's looking really close again. Pretty consistent. Go ahead and let it land again. Ooh, got a little piece of the landing pad that time. Nice. Let's try to get one more. Go over this direction this time. Okay, one more return to home. Initiated, and there it turns around and comes back. Look at all these bugs. Just warmed up and now it's Bug City. and that's the way it goes. Man, very cool. Good purchase. And there is an SD card in this one, or a TF card. Really nice feature to have. I haven't had that in a while, so that's refreshing to get one that has an SD card or TF card. Excuse me. Alright, I think we're going to end this video here. Don't forget to leave me a comment and enter the giveaway. I'll, like I said, I'll put a picture in. I'm not really sure what the prize is going to be yet, but I'll find something cool. And it's going to be in the hobby, the RC hobby category. You always know that. Anyway, guys, look at that. Woo, got a bigger piece of the landing pad. I bet if I kept going, it would eventually center itself in the way it's acting. Alright, guys, have a great night. Thanks for watching. Bye.